I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with IRS today. I'm going to talk about filing your back 941 payroll taxes and working on a settlement with Internal Revenue Service. Who am I? My name is Mike Sullivan. I work thousands of cases. I've been doing this since 1973. I'm a national expert. I've been on all the TV stations. More importantly, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. Look me up on my website, 777irs.com. You can learn all about me. Let me just get to what I need to do. As a former IRS agent, I kind of give you a behind the scenes look at what IRS is looking at. As a revenue officer, I'd go out and collect these 941 payroll taxes if they weren't filed. Let me tell you how IRS thinks of these and treats these. IRS right now has a massive amount of work, so they can't work all the cases. That's why probably no one has knocked at your door. Just so you know, they are a priority. A matter of fact, they are the top priority of Internal Revenue Service. Why? Because these 941 unfiled payroll taxes, what's on those are monies that have been held in trust. And that's why, as a former agent, we were really tough on them, because it really wasn't your money. It's money that belonged to employees. So expect IRS to be a little more aggressive and assertive when they work the cases. Back in the day, they would send out FTD alerts. In my zip code that I worked, which is 33308, they would send out what's called FTD alerts to let me know monthly which businesses didn't file or pay their 941 taxes. They know about you. IRS certainly knows about you. They just haven't had time for someone to say, hey, come in my office, issue a summons or subpoena, and issue a 725B letter to get in there. But if you haven't filed, it's important you just file those returns. If you want to stay in business, make sure you file those returns. And usually you don't do that because you owe money and you're scared what IRS is going to do. IRS will work with you if, in fact, they think you have a chance to stay in business. But if you're not, have all returns filed, and today start making your federal tax deposits, you will have an opportunity to stay in business. Because as an agent, if I seen that you filed your returns and at least monthly, as of today, you're starting to stay current, I'd want to work with you. Why? Because in fact, you are staying current and you're trying to do well. What is IRS going to do when they pick up these tax returns? They're going to try to set up a payment agreement, or you may tell them you want to do an offer and compromise to settle your debt. I've worked thousands of these cases. I used to work the offer program at Internal Revenue Service. Simply by looking at your financial statement, I'll tell you whether you're a candidate for the offer. But get those tax returns filed, and IRS will actually love you for that. And if you get a really aggressive revenue officer, you may want to call me. If you want a payment agreement, call me. Or if you think you have a chance to settle your tax debt, I taught the offer and compromise program. Remember, stay current with your federal tax deposits monthly, and you're going to have a great chance of doing whatever you need to do. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription if you would. I give you all the information you need. Thank you.